What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Sit back and enjoy.
Hello again, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I get these wheels unstuck. So all four of them were stuck on. I tried kicking them. I loosened up the lug nuts, drove it around, all that fun stuff. They wouldn't come off. So the front ones I've done before. These are pretty simple. I'll just take a block of wood and I'll wedge it in between somewhere solid on the frame and the edge of the rim here. And then you have the car started. You just turn the wheel slowly, use the power steering pump, and that'll pop these front ones off. So that works for the front. Now the back, you don't have steering in. Last time I took these off, I had to heat them, which was a pain because these are plastic. So I had to hold the torch down and get on the rotors, move it around. Finally, I got them off. Now, I already got the passenger side off on this one. I'm going to show you what I did to get it off. I got my floor jack holding the wheel up right there. But I got this jack, the one that comes with the truck that sucks. You don't ever want to jack up your vehicle with one of these, but in a pinch they'll do. So I get that in there, have it on the leaf springs there and on the edge of the rim there. And I just tighten down and it should pop right off. Now, that slid out of there a little bit because I'm trying to do this one-handed, but trust me, this works. Alright, that should work a little better. Now I got the tripod out, got the fancy flashlights, regular freaking YouTube Pro here. Then I just tighten this down, which is not a ton of room to work with the jack and the wheel. And bam, and that comes off. So here, these are the wheels from a 2017 F-150. They're 17s. The tires have a little more profile on them, so it's only about a half-inch difference, which is, I think, about 1 mile per hour when you're at about 50. So here's the 2012s. Those are an 18-inch rim, but these things are pretty bald. This passenger one was the worst. Right here, there's no tread left on them at all. I got those 2018s, there they are in the truck, our 2017s. I was able to get them with the tires with still pretty good tread on them for $250, so I couldn't pass that up. But thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you feel like. Have a good one.